So guys, welcome back to today's video. So just a quick one. So something is going to happen in the market today, right? Something is going to happen in the market in the next 1 hour. I'm going to actually upload this video maybe during them, right? What will happen? Some may actually ask, right? So before we do that, let me actually explain, right? Let me actually tell you guys the position I'm currently in, right? If you look at the 1 hour time frame, right, I'm currently on a long position, and after we actually drop down here, you can actually see after dropping from here, I entered a long position, or from here, boom, and then get back to the level, and right now we're actually bouncing from here again, right? And there's the reason for this drop following that news. This drop actually happened following the news, right? What is that news? Some people may actually ask, right? Now if you actually go back, let me go to my X account, let me go to my Twitter account. Let's see what that news is currently all about, right? So guys, of course, if you are not yet following me on Twitter, make sure to follow me on Twitter. I'll be leaving the link down in the description of this video. So guys, this is it, right? This is it. Where is it, right? So this is it, right? So breaking news: the Fed meeting is going to happen in the next 2 hours. This was what actually posted 1 hour ago. So the Fed meeting is going to happen, but right now it's going to actually happen in the next. It's going to actually happen in the next about 48 minutes. It's going to actually happen in the next 48 minutes from now. And I actually told you guys, the market will be volatile, and this is currently what is happening. That is why you're actually seeing that position actually open. The market goes up and then retrace back down again. And right now the market is always going to be volatile, mostly once this news is actually once this meeting is currently going on, right? And this man over here, once he actually opened his mouth to actually say the first speech, and of course his first speech always turns out to be a greeting, and that greeting alone always turns out to be a very volatile thing in the market in general, right? So guys, this is what we're actually expecting, right? So expect the market to be volatile during this period. So from 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock of today, the market will be volatile during this period, right? So what are traders and investors talking about, right? Most traders and investors are saying that they are currently expecting a 25 basis point, right? Which simply means that they are actually expecting the market, if this happen, the market is going to actually react well, right? If this actually happened, it actually cut rate by 25 basis point, right? So this is when this meeting is Fed will actually take decision whether to cut interest rate or to increase to cut interest rate. So let's see how this turns out, right? And you can actually see what I actually say. Let's see how this turns out today, right? So if it turns out positive, the market is going to actually is going to be bullish. But if it turns out at a bad way, right? And of course, expect the market will have a shakeout and everybody be like, ooh, and then market continues, right? This is what we have been seeing in the price of Bitcoin, right? Whenever this kind of move come out, you see everybody scream and they shout, oh, the market is over. And what happened? The market still keep pumping to the upside, right? So if it turns out bad, right, let us actually talk about the worst case scenario, right? If it turns out bad, likely we're actually going to see a volatile move, maybe worst case scenario coming back down to actually find support at this level, coming back to actually get something like a quick candle to actually come back here and then goes up back again. So we'll be expecting something in form of like this, right? We'll be expecting something in form of like this, right? Where the market comes down, wash everyone, and then we actually start to flip back again to the upside, right? But if it turns out bullish, I expect the market to actually hold around this region, right? I expect the market to then hold around this region. As per the market to hold around this region, we actually consolidate and we start moving slowly to the upside, right? Grinding slowly to the upside. So this is what I'm currently expecting when it comes to this news. If the news actually comes out bullish, right? So let's see how it actually plays out, guys. So in the next 1 hour, the meeting will be happening, and immediately that man which actually showed you open his mouth to actually say one greeting, you actually going to see just in the 1 day time frame, you're actually going to see a quick, very quick 1 hour candle, right? You're going to see if it turns out bullish, you're going to see a very big flash right to the upside. If it turns out bad, you're going to see, if it turns out bullish, you're going to see a very quick candle. But just expect volatility to actually catch up when these meetings start happening. So guys, peace and love. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to see my next video, right? Don't get shaken out both if this turns out to be good or if this doesn't turn out to be good, right? The crypto market will still do well. So guys, I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace. Goodbye.